GIT workflow for Firebase Functions. What is a GIT workflow for Firebase Functions? A GIT workflow for Firebase Functions is the structured process teams use to manage cloud function code and deployment configuration safely using GIT. It defines how Firebase function code is updated, how environment variables are changed, how bugs are fixed, how production deployments are controlled, why it matters for Firebase Functions. Functions run live immediately. One bad deploy can break your app. Rollbacks must be fast. Updates happen often. So workflow equals stability plus control plus safe deployments. Why Firebase Functions projects need a proper GIT workflow? Firebase Functions projects usually include function source code, Node, JS, TypeScript, Firebase config files, environment variables, ING, service account permissions, build and deployment scripts. Without workflow, cross-mark broken APIs, cross-mark hard rollbacks, cross-mark config mistakes, cross-mark merge conflicts, cross-mark no release history. With workflow, check mark stable functions, check mark predictable deployments, check mark easier debugging, check mark safer releases, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for Firebase Functions. Common structure. Main means production ready functions. Develop means active development. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means prepared deployment. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, user auth function. Feature, payment webhook. Release, version 1.3.0. Hotfix, crash fix. Why? Protects live APIs. Supports parallel development. Enables controlled releases. Feature branch workflow. Firebase Functions. For each task, create branch from develop. Write Firebase function code. Test locally. Firebase emulators. Validate configs. Commit changes. Push branch. Open pull request. Review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky code. Prevents breaking production. Enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark work directly on main. Cross-mark deploy without review. Good practice. Check mark one function per branch. Check mark one task per branch. Pull requests in Firebase Functions projects. PRs are used to review function logic, review permission usage, check environment configs, run automated tests, validate Firebase config. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark link issue, ticket, check mark test results, check mark deployment notes. Why? Prevents app failures, documents changes, improves quality. Bad PR. Cross-mark no description. Cross-mark no tests. Cross-mark huge PR. Commit strategy for Firebase Functions. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages. Add email verification function. Fix Firestore trigger bug. Update Stripe webhook handler. Bad commit messages. Update. Fix. Final. Why? Easy rollback, easy debugging, clean history, daily workflow in Firebase Functions teams. Typical flow: pull latest develop, create feature branch, write function code, test with emulator, commit changes, push branch, create PR, review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts, keeps work isolated, keeps functions stable. Hotfix workflow for Firebase Functions. When production breaks, create hotfix branch from main. Fix function or config. Test quickly. Deploy to staging project. Create PR. Merge into main. Merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery. Keeps branches aligned. Prevents repeat issues. Example: hotfix, Login crash. Release strategy for Firebase Functions. Releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze features. Run integration tests. Deploy to staging project. Deploy to production. Tag version. Example. Release, version 2.1.0. Why? Safe deployments. Easy rollback. Clear version history. Code review culture. Firebase Functions teams. Review focuses on function logic, security rules and permissions, performance, error handling, cost impact, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer failures, better reliability, knowledge sharing, CI/CD in Firebase Functions workflow. Automation should run unit tests, build functions, deploy to staging, run smoke tests, deploy to production. On every PR, run tests, run lint, validate Firebase config. Why? Prevents broken apps, saves time, builds confidence. Tools, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Firebase CLI, Bitbucket pipelines. Common Firebase Functions GIT mistakes. Direct commits to main. No PR reviews. No tests. Manual production changes. No version tags. Why? Risky deployments. Hard debugging. No audit trail. Naming conventions. Branches. Feature, notification function. Feature, image resize. Release, version 1.5.0. Hotfix, auth error. Commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example, fix Firebase function timeout. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How GIT workflow helps Firebase functions scale. As app grows, more users, more functions, more triggers, more developers. Good workflow. Check mark keeps code manageable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark controls complexity. Real life analogy. Firebase Functions GIT workflow is like emergency call center system. Without system, chaos. With system, fast response. Branches equals teams. PRs equals safety checks. Main equals live system. In simple words, Firebase Functions GIT workflow means build carefully, test before deploy, review changes, release safely. Best strategy for Firebase Functions projects. Use check mark feature branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark carbon monoiodide, CD automation. Check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits. Cross mark no testing. Cross mark no reviews. In Firebase Functions projects, your code runs real backend logic for your app. A good GIT workflow. Check mark protects production. Check mark supports teamwork. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark builds trust.